And away we go, first application of 2024. Now, we've done a video before talking about how I'm waking up my Scott's Provista here, as well as my big seed project with 1.5 pounds of urea. So if you haven't seen that, I recommend you check it out. All we're really doing in this video here is doing our first legit application of the season, which, as we've talked about in videos past, is going to be our pre-emergent. For me, that's going to be prodiamine. And what I'm applying here, because I'm a professional, is I'm actually applying a 1500 fertilizer comboed, pre-comboed if you will, with the prodiamine. Now, as a DIYer watching this channel, we recommend applying them separate. That's why we carry our 007 prodiamine and we separate that from the 2406 flagship fertilizer. I really recommend, as a DIYer, having those separated because things are going to be a little more unlocked, if you will, when it comes to applications. So that's why we do that. So yeah, you could see the Provista up front was looking good. Still got a long way to go till it wakes up. That's expected. Provista is a slower grower. Coming around to the backyard here, you can see greening up really nice. This is my conventional bluegrass that has been here since we moved in. Looks really nice. And you can see I'm knocking this application out with the permagreen. It's actually one of the things that's really nice about it is that it has about an 8-foot plus spread and spray width, and because of that I can do a yard like mine in literally 2 to 4 passes depending on the area I'm in. And in this case, the backyard, 2 passes. That's actually what's kind of nice about it. Now, as you can see, I'm in this corner here. This is one of my least favorite parts with the permagreen, is when I have to turn it around with the transaxle, but it always fits in small spaces and never disappoints. So yeah, and done. So I know you're wondering, where's the montage? Well, that's it. 2 passes. That's all I need. This is going to be really green in like a week.